Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Phanteks next generation Glacier EZ Fit VGA water block. So Phanteks is a leading innovator in custom PC water cooling solution, and today its upcoming design for NVIDIA flagship GeForce RTX 5090 and all major third-party GPU brand. And this new water block embody Phanteks dedication to premium cooling solution, combining top-tier performance with effortless installation, featuring the EZ Fit system with fittings already integrated, and they offer a true plug-and-play experience while delivering exceptional thermal efficiency, perfect for enthusiasts and overclockers demanding peak cooling performance. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.